Okay, so about myself, I'm working with Hindustan Foods Limited in a capacity of General Manager R&D and Corporate Quality, and we are a contract manufacturer as a company, and we are into everything what comes to us in FMCG area. So there are about total of 36 factories that we have across India, and we are into all FMCG categories, also into shoes, also into pharma, and also into nutraceuticals. So uh, everything is there in as a contract manufacturer with us. Yeah, as I said in my panel discussion also, so bringing the expertise which is available in the market or in the industrial aspect in one forum is what a CMPL brings to the table, and that is a big advantage to the startups, the manufacturers, to look into or scrutinize as per their need to see who are all the possible contract manufacturer for them, and that's where I think the CMPL plays a big role. And having said that, how I have seen CMPL grow over a period is creating that platform initially in Mumbai, now in Delhi. It gives big exposure to all the small manufacturers and startups. That's big advantage. Hardship, yeah, it's about taking new challenges. So when you enjoy getting new challenges and challenging yourself in terms of your expertise, in terms of your growth, it actually exciting journey to follow. So that's that's how I look at it. It's not about hardship; it's about enjoying the journey. I could see with the experience of last 4, 5, 6 years that I'm closely working with CMPL, being a titanium partner for CMPL from its inception. So I can see that there is a huge opportunity for growth for CMPL, and in doing that, I think that CMPL also brings that as an opportunity to a small manufacturer or a new startups. That's what I feel. It is exciting.